Factory-assembled insulated roof lights, or FAIRS roof lights, are used with composite panels to bring daylight into a building. The design provides insulation values compliant with building regs, whilst allowing up to 92% of natural light to come through. Compared to conventional indoor lighting, this can create an energy saving of up to 40% a year. 10 to 20% of your roof should be roof lights. Glass reinforced polyester, or GRP, creates the roof light. It's durable, shatter resistant, and can withstand extreme temperatures, with the outer layer being UV protected. The inner layer is made to your specific requirements in length, thickness, insulation value, and fire rating. Be sure to check out our video on how to fit FAIRS roof lights.